Well, guess where I've been? Dollar Tree. I absolutely love Dollar Tree, and I wonder who developed the concept of building a store and everything you have in it is only $1. It's genius, because if you are anything like I am, I go in thinking I'm going to buy just a couple items, and I'm walking down the aisle and I see something I might need or may not need, and I pick it up and think, it's only $1. Put it in the basket. Go a little farther down the aisle and you go, that's only $1? Put it in the basket. And before you know it, you have $20 worth of items in your basket. And that's basically what I've done today. And I went out and found some of the items I wanted to share with you that I truly love buying at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks about Dollar Tree. Well, the first item I want to share with you is something you probably know about, but I just am crazy about their gift bags. $1 for gift bags that usually cost anywhere from $3.99 to $8.99, and some of these larger ones can get even higher than that. You go into Dollar Tree and you have an entire wall of gift bags to choose from. It's absolutely amazing how much profit other stores are making on their gift bags. And you have gift bags for birthdays and whatever, you know, like maybe a hostess gift, or this is a good one that can be used for almost any occasion. And they have all of these solid color bags that you can use for favor bags for birthday parties, and you can come up with a million ideas of reasons you need to buy dollar gift bags. If you have not had the opportunity to enjoy going into a Dollar Tree, if you don't have one in your area, next time you're out of town, look it up. Get your phone out, look it up, and find a Dollar Tree and just go in, just to get the experience. You will be so surprised. Another item that I love, because you know from last week's video how I like to craft occasionally. Well, $1. I told you about these maple leaves. $1. If you walk right around the corner of the shopping center in my area, they're $4.99. And I won't tell you which store, but if you live in my area and you know me, you know which store it is. $4.99 or $1. And flowers, they have seasonal flowers, they have anything to do with, well, not everything. You know, you go into Dollar Tree and sometimes they don't have what you need exactly, then that's when you go around the corner and pay the big bucks for things. But get what you can at Dollar Tree. Next is something that I buy quite a bit of there, and they don't always have what you need, but I'll tell you how to find what you need at Dollar Tree if you don't see it in the store. That is cleaning supplies. I love the little squeegees, and I have the little, you'll find the little tiny brooms and dustbin pans that go with it, and these I buy constantly. These reusable latex gloves for cleaning, love them. $1. You go into your grocery, you're going to pay, I don't know, maybe, I think they come in packs of 2, and so I think they were like $8.99 for a pack of 2, and I just buy them for $1 at Dollar Tree. Love it. Now, oh, this is something I love. The squeegees, I do some of my windows that are low, I can do this, and the house that we have in Florida has glass front doors. Perfect. $1 and a bottle of Windex, clean as you can be. Then, well, let's go to this, because I'll get it out of the way. It's pretty big. If you are an organizing fanatic, they have a department that is nothing but organizing supplies. And so I am getting ready to reorganize under my kitchen sink, and I went in, got my little bins, and I'm going to reorganize under the sink. But you can get cute little wire baskets, you can get short baskets that you can, I have bought them and lined the drawers in my bathroom and put like makeup brushes or medications in those baskets. You go to one of those organizing stores, you are not going to find them for $1. That is for sure. So I'm so excited about these. Actually, they had run out of them at one Dollar Tree, and I went to another and found them. We have several Dollar Trees in our area, so it's pretty easy just to hop in the car and go to the next one. And then the all-time favorites, gift cards, and cards you buy to put money in for birthdays or holiday season. They always have those. I think they're 2 for $1. And then I love the little holiday cards, birthday cards. They have anniversary cards, graduation cards, you name it. They're always going to have them. And they have some made by Hallmark. This card in particular, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to come up close. Hallmark. That is a Hallmark card for $1. It's just amazing. This is Hallmark. All these are Hallmark. I didn't even realize it when I bought all these cards are Hallmark cards. And as a matter of fact, I think these two were 2 for $1. They were. Where's my receipt? I will find my receipt, but these were 2 for $1 Hallmark cards. Then I don't know if you've watched me long enough to know, I am a fanatic about cocktail napkins. Gotta have them for every single occasion. $1. So it's just amazing. And if you have parties coming up, you want to buy paper plates and you want to buy napkins and you want to buy everything coordinating in a color theme, then they have it. Blue, one section, pink, yellow, you name it, they have it. $1. Now here is a not so well kept secret, but if you don't know about it, go on DollarTree.com and they have almost all the items that you have in the store and more. And you can order them to be shipped to your house at a fee. There's a shipping fee, but if you ship them to the store, there's no shipping fee. And if you need large quantities of items, say those paper plates or napkins, well, then you can order as many as you want in bulk. Or if you go on their website and go into the menu, there is an area that will show you where you can order just one of an item and have it shipped. Most of the items are available to come to your house and to the store. So look through the website. Just take a few minutes to browse through it. Now you can order balloons on the website, and if you order the foil balloons, say you need 100 balloons, you can order those 100 balloons shipped to your house or to the store, and then the store will inflate them for you free. Just get in touch with the store and let them know what you're doing and when the order is supposed to arrive, and that way they can make sure they have enough helium for you. So that is a godsend for those of us who like to have parties or we like to just entertain in general, whether it's for charitable fundraising or just make somebody super happy. They will fill those balloons for you. Also on their website, you will see that they have cooking instructions and ideas for foods that you can buy at Dollar Tree. They have craft ideas with all of the instructions. I am so amazed with what they offer. You can shop by department. You don't have to just scroll through like you're going up and down aisles. They have them separated into departments. They have, for instance, they have a holiday department, and you can go through and look at their holiday items, even their upcoming holiday items that are not in the store on the shelf yet, but they can be shipped to you. Right now, I am looking at, you won't believe this, I'm looking at, of course, they have holiday dinner supplies. They have Christmas, New Year's, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, Valentine's Day, their Easter shop. You can buy for your Easter crafts now, or anything you need for Easter now, and it's not even the end of the year. So it's just unbelievable. If you will take the time to shop their website and look in the menu, they have sections for school supplies. If you have children who need a lot of something, pencils or pens or paper or printer paper or whatever they might have, you can find it here. Cleaning supplies. You need a whole bunch of Windex for that squeegee? Order it from Dollar Tree. They have it. They'll send it to your house. But I was really amazed that you could also order small amounts of anything that they have listed. For instance, they have books and games. They have office and school supplies in the smaller items section. Pantry items, health and beauty items. All can be sent to your home or to the store. And so I hope if you are not aware of that, that you will take advantage of it. And if you do order that 100 balloons, be sure to call the store and let them know that you're wanting those inflated. Now, it's only the foil balloons that they'll inflate for free. The regular latex balloons, I don't believe they'll do it, but talk to the store. You never know. They might change their policy. So let's think of anything else I have forgotten. There's so much to tell you about this. But I did want to remind you about the shipping fees. So there is a fee if they ship to your home, but if you have your items shipped to the local Dollar Tree in your neighborhood and you pick them up there, there's no charge. And be sure to sign up for their newsletters, and they'll send you emails with recipe ideas, with the instructions for items they carry at Dollar Tree, and also crafting ideas for items they carry at Dollar Tree, and upcoming items that aren't even in the store yet. They will send you information on that, or what's coming to the store soon. And I think what we'll do in the future is maybe choose a recipe that's on their website and follow that recipe step by step using the items from Dollar Tree and see if we like that. Or maybe one of their craft ideas, we'll follow it step by step and see if we love their crafting ideas. So I want to ask you, if you enjoy this video, that you please give it a thumbs up. And you know what? I love my subscribers, and you know who you are. So if you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.